To replace the ZL6 reference barometer sensor, you will need the following items. The reference barometer sensor and the ZL6 data logger should be replaced if it malfunctions or if it needs to be calibrated. Remove one of the batteries to turn off the ZL6, then press the test button to clear the power in it. Remove the 4 screws from the main board. Carefully lift the main board up and turn it over to look at the underside. Lift the current reference barometer straight up to remove it and discard the sensor. See the manual for a diagram of the location of the sensor. Insert the new sensor into the daughter board connector by pressing it straight down. Turn the board back over and return it to the case. Be mindful of the solar panel and antenna cables. Replace the screws. Replace the removed battery. Connect to the ZL6 and check Zentra Utility to make sure the barometer and temperature readings are available. If you have any questions, please contact customer support.